Today, we will see how to find prime factorization of 36. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps once. Step 1. Try dividing 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 36 exactly, we get 18. Again, try dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Again, try dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. As per the rule, please stop here since 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Therefore, prime factorization of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.